Hi, everyone. Today I want to address a question that was posted or a comment that was posted on one of my videos about Etsy sending out favorite coupons to people through the messaging system. And it basically is the sad story of a seller who got basically caught up in the trap of the custom order pricing issue. Now, the comment says, I had a buyer that asked for a custom order, and since I'm running a sale in my shop, I factored in the discount to the price, not knowing that she had a favorites discount code that Etsy sent her. All right, so Etsy has been sending these out. I'll post the video about it. I don't know if it's up here or up there, but I'll link to that there. You can go watch that. So you just need to be aware of this because it will eat into your profits if you don't know about this. And they're not going to tell you they have a coupon until it's too late. So then the comment continues, I didn't even think you could use favorite coupons if you didn't favorite the item. And remember, this was a custom listing. All right, so this listing was not something that had existed before this conversation with the customer. But yeah, you can use favorite coupons on anything. It doesn't have to be something that they favorited. It's just a coupon that's good on anything in your shop. All right, then the comment continues, she couldn't have marked it as a favorite since I sent a private custom order, correct? Yeah, well, I just talked about that. Yeah, I mean, those coupons can be used on anything. So there's no limit to what they can use it on. So watch out. On top of that, I got hit with an offsite ads fee on the sale, which was a $200 item. So I guess it had already been marked down. So it's a $200 sale. She got 20% off that was factored into the price. So when it was priced at the price for the custom order, that was adjusted to reflect the sale in her shop. Then a 20% off with the coupon, and she had to pay the offsite ads fees. And so basically, once everything was said and done, she said that she had to pay 22% in fees. That's a lot. So what you need to understand and remember when you're pricing custom orders, first of all, don't do sales. If you can tell people I have a sale going on in my shop, but if I mark that down because it's a custom order, I'm going to have to adjust the price back up because it's a custom order and custom orders should cost more than something normal. Custom orders take more work because it's a back and forth with the customer. You have to think of the time that goes into that. You might not have done this thing before, so you might have to source different materials. You might have to get different colors. It takes time, so you have to charge for your time. So custom orders should have a little bit more of a fee that goes along with them to begin with. So what I would have said is based on the price, number one, the price of this thing is a little bit on the high side for Etsy. And you also then have to think about the purchase protection too, because if the price of the item is $250 or more, including the cost of shipping, purchase protection doesn't cover it. So you might end up being out that money if the customer complains about it for some reason. And with custom orders, that could happen if they have something in their minds that you didn't deliver. And if they're just imagining things, they could complain and then you're going to get screwed out of the whole amount because Etsy will refund it out of your account if it's $250 or over. So you have to think about that. But let's go back to the $200 thing. There should be a custom order fee for custom order. So I'm not sure if the $200 was before or after the discounts, but whatever discount you give them, if you want to apply a sale price to that because you're having a sale in your shop, that's great. But you need to tell the customer this is a sale price. No other discounts apply. That's it. So if she came back and bought that thing with a coupon, you can then delete that order and cancel it and tell her you need to reorder it, but because I discounted it already, I can't apply other discounts to it. I mentioned that before, so if you'd like to reorder it, feel free. Now, it goes without saying that you shouldn't be making anything before the customer pays you for a custom order. And I know a lot of people get payment afterward. Don't do that. Make people pay for things up front. And then if they decide not to buy it because she wanted to use all these extra discounts, then you're not out any money. You're just out the time. Just tell them no other discounts apply. I'm discounting it for the sale in my shop, but that's it. And like I said, if they do apply another coupon, you can cancel that order. Now, the thing that you can't plan for is the offsite ads fees. So when you're pricing a custom order, you can either choose to say, well, it might come with an offsite ad fee. I don't know. Or you can just increase the price a little bit to cushion it in case there is that situation where the offsite ad fee comes into play. And don't ask the customer, did you click on Google to find me? Because they're not going to know. They're not going to remember. And that offsite ad cookie is 30 days. So they might have clicked on an ad 30 days ago, and they don't know, they can't remember that. I can't remember what I did yesterday, let alone 30 days ago on Google. But you can't tell, and people are very bad at remembering what they do. If they're clicking on something, they don't know if it's an ad or not. It could have been an ad somewhere else. It could have been on Facebook. It could have been on Pinterest. It doesn't matter. So don't ask people and expect that to be the correct answer. Just assume that everything might have that offsite ads fee attached to it if you are opted in. And if you don't want to be opted into offsite ads, I'll put another video about how to get out of that at the end of this video, and you can go look at that. But if you make over $10,000 in the last 365 days, you can't opt out, and there's a 12% fee for that. If you're being charged 15% on offsite ads, it means that you can opt out, because that means you've made less than 10,000 and you can opt out. So I will put that video, go watch that if you want to get rid of that worry. But you have to assume, if you're doing a custom order, that the worst case scenario is going to happen. They're going to use every discount that you have that's offered. They're going to have the offsite ads fee, and they might complain about it. So make sure that the pricing keeps you within that purchase protection program. So just think about everything. Consider the worst case scenario when you are pricing custom orders, and make sure that you're pricing extra for the custom order so that people don't get away with 22% of your profits going to fees. Leave me any questions, give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you later.